Yo, what is up, YouTube? KNG TCG here, and as y'all can see, we got ourselves a Twilight Masquerade Scarlet and Violet box. You know, we back at it again. We on that collector grind, you know what I mean? Let's take a look at what we got here. Man, y'all don't need to know all that. So to be honest, let's just get straight into it. We're featuring Big F. We got my boy Louie in the background, and we all made a conclusion: left side is the lucky side. So you already know. We open that from the left side. There you go. Holy peel action! All the way around. All right, now let's get into it. Slide this thing open. Comes with a little book. I mess with this book. This book looks a little tough, you know. Shows some pretty cool cards, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's get into this box opening. You feel me? I'm pretty sure it comes with like 9 packs. Let's check this out. Well, let's take this whole thing out. So we got our 9 Twilight Masquerade boxes, or packs. Let's put these inside. And then we got just some balance playing cards, all that good stuff. Put this to the side. And our promo card. Oh yeah, I'm rocking with that. Just got some dividers, energy cards. Put this to the side. I'm pretty sure these are our sleeves right here. Toss to the side. Alright, now let's get to the main attraction. Opening up these Twilight Masquerade packs. First, let's look at these sleeves a little bit. I'm liking them. I think they look pretty cool, pretty clean. The dividers as well. Got that little nice touch to it. And then we just got just these energies here. Ain't nothing much, but alright. Now that we got our blade, we just put that baby open. Ooh, yep, this is a tight one. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this one. When it's tight, you know it's right. Don't play. Alright. I think it's the same one. Just one. Alright, this might be a little messed up, but alright, yeah, we good. Nose pass. A Seeking. A Sunkern. A Brute Bonnet. Community Center. Iron Bundle. Ooh, okay. Hyper Aroma. And a Palafin. And an Infernape. I'm rocking with this trainer right here. So let's go ahead and sleeve this baby up. Oh, it's hard to put in there. Don't play now. Like I said, when it's tight, you know it's right. You feel me? Next pack. Get these right up here. Get the sleeves on deck. This set it right there. Basic Energy, another Applin, a Flabibi, a Litwick, a Pochinia, a Milotic, a Riados, Kyrian. Oh, I don't know, but that one kind of looks tough. Paulo Sand, and a Frolax. Okay. Pretty mediocre cards, you know. It's nothing too crazy. Take these off the table. Third pack. Let's see. Like I said, yeah, this is gonna be a good pack. I can feel it in my bones. Basic Energy, a Trevenant, Ebola, a Frogadier, Enhanced Hammer, a Glalie, a Kilowattrel, a Tatsig. Man, that looked like some sushi. I kinda could go for some sushi, I ain't gonna lie. A Fion, and a Heatran. Huh. Okay. Let's do this. Basic Energy, a Phantom, Slugma, Swirlix, Tadbulb, Boomerang Energy, Slurpuff, Piran, Tangler, a Darman, I don't know. Ooh! Stack this up over there. Water Energy, a Lampent, a Poltergeist, a Ducklet, Ninetales, a Ravaroom, Ogre's Mask, Sunflora, Festival Grounds, a Glimmet, and a Monkey Door. Yo, they got the owner of this channel on a Pokemon card. Alright. 6-pack. Yep, we got another tight one. Alright, let's go ahead and put this right up at this one. Oh, yep, Fire Energy. I'm feeling something now. A Girafari, a Vulpix, a Froakie, an Eevee. Oh, that Eevee looks tough. A Scolipede or whatever the hell. A Bellybolt, accompanying Flute, a Leafeon, a Varoom, and a Teal Mask Ogerpon. Okay, I kind of like that. Bless you. Energy, a Helioptile, Tile, Finizen, Caretaker, a Glimmet, a Rillaboom, Lanazade, a Conkeldurr, a Puchinia, Froakie. Ooh, ooh, oh damn. What's up? 8 packs. We got one more after this. Let's hope they bangers. Basic Energy, a Goldeen, Sandygast, Dreepy, a Feebas, Iron Bundle, a Probopass, Love Ball, Rillaboom, Girafarig, and Amorous. Alright, last and final pack. Let's get some good luck in that comment section ASAP. See if we can pull anything crazy. Let's do it. Alright. Leaf Energy, Apom, Darumaka, Corphish, Grookey, a Palafin, Handheld Fan, a Dipplin, Caretaker, a Feebas, and last but not least, the final card. Huh. See, you know, I would be hyped if I was maybe a little more alpha-like. But, you know, let's still sleeve it up. Let's see. Wow, that's a stack right there. Uh-huh. Alright. We got some pretty decent things from this. I mean, I can rock with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna complain. But shoot, look at that. Alright. And this is the one and only KNG TCG signing out.